A bright, confident smile can make a huge difference in your personal life. For the fellas out there, women don't like guys with bad teeth. So in this video, we're going to show you how to get your teeth white, and more importantly, how to keep them that way. It all starts with good oral hygiene. Brush your teeth at least twice a day using a whitening toothpaste. Make sure to brush all surfaces of your teeth and pay extra attention to those hard-to-reach spots. Don't forget to floss daily to remove plaque and stains between your teeth. Consider using whitening toothpaste and mouthwash-containing ingredients like hydrogen peroxide or baking soda. These products help remove surface stains and brighten your teeth over time. Remember to follow the instructions that they give you when you buy them. For more noticeable results, you might want to try professional teeth whitening. Consult with your dentist, who can provide options like in-office treatments or take-home whitening kits. They'll tailor the treatment to suit your needs and ensure your safety throughout the process. Now that you know the ways to get your teeth white, let's talk about how to maintain them, starting with maintain good oral hygiene habits. Brush and floss regularly, just like we mentioned earlier. This is the foundation for keeping your teeth white and healthy in the long run. Watch your diet. Be mindful of the foods and drinks you consume, as some can stain your teeth. Limit your intake of coffee, tea, red wine, and dark-colored beverages. If you do consume them, rinse your mouth or brush your teeth afterward to minimize staining. Quit smoking. Smoking is not good for you at all, and it can lead to teeth discoloration. Consider quitting smoking or reducing your tobacco usage to preserve your white smile. Drink plenty of water. Water's not only good for your overall health, but it also helps rinse away food particles and reduces the acidity in your mouth. This helps maintain the whiteness of your teeth and prevents the formation of stains. And finally, regular dental checkups. Lastly, visit your dentist for regular checkups and professional cleanings. They can identify any potential issues early on and provide additional teeth whitening treatments if necessary. By following these steps, you'll have the confidence to show your smile wherever you go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel for some more grooming tips.